everyone, this is Elizabeth Yeager. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today I want to show you a project that I made for my son. He messaged me this morning to ask if I could make a special card for him and some other dads who are doing a special concert tomorrow with their daughters, a dance concert. So it was a bit of a challenge, but I think I'm really happy with what I've done. This is the envelope, and basically it's just tied with a red ribbon. And I'm going to lift the card out. So this is our card that I made today. It's a waterfall card, and what I've done is, this is the front of it, and I've used the Happy Friends paper on the front with cherry cobbler and grey granite, and I've got a bear and used some retired DSPs as well, just because I needed some extra things. So inside the card there is the front. It says thank you Miss Kate, who is the dance teacher, and then this is the waterfall. So I'm just going to show you what I did, and then I can talk you through it. So I need to just get rid of some of the glue that's got on the card, and that's it. And then the gift card at the bottom, so when she opens it up. So basically I made these first of all, and this was my front piece from a retired stamp set, and then I used some retired DSP in here. The messages were printed on a computer because they already had been printed, and then I just mounted them on some cardstock, and I've used different ones for different things. So you can see that, and I'm just turning them over by hand at the moment so that you can see. Still love this paper, even though it has retired. And that one, and the final one. So, and then she's got a little gift card down here at the bottom, which I've glued onto the back. I'm really excited about how I've made it. So I don't know, it's taken me all day, but the back's just plain, but I'm really happy with it. So you can just see, and then instead of a belly band, I decided to tie a red ribbon around this side. So that it's just got a nice long ribbon, and then it fits in the box. My box up. Past the, so I don't take the bear off. And the ribbon's in, and I've put a little thumb piece so you can pull the card out, and then my ribbon's just all the way around and tied. Hope you like what I did, and I think that the teacher's going to love it. I've enjoyed making it today. Thank you.